Hey guys, do you want to see how I made this earring? Like you've been seeing pin earring, really, I know, but really, do you want to know how to make the perfect cover body pin earring? Just watch this video, guys. This is it. This earring is so beautiful. Don't worry, if you know how to make a pin earring, or you've seen the video before, this one is different, believe me. Watch this video to learn how to make this beautiful earring. These are the things needed for this cover button earring. Your cover button, I've already made mine. Your F-Sister glue, this is the F-Sister glue. I'm going to be using this because this one is new. I'm showing this because this one is leaking. That is why I put sellotape to block it. It's leaking, so that is why I block it, and you cannot see the name. It's F-Sister glue. And we will need our ear stud findings. This is ear stud findings for the pin earring. I will cut a disc, a round disc, to gum in the back of my earring. So this is how I do it. I will take the back of my cover button, put it on top like so, then roll it out. We need two. Then I will roll it out like this. This is a cover button tool. This, you use it to make your cover button. You see, this one is soft, it's a silicone. And this one is plastic, it's strong. So there are different sizes of this online. You look for it, cover button tool. Then you buy the size you want. This is it. You use this to do your cover button. In case you don't know of this, that is why I'm showing you this. Then put the two discs together, then just put a hole in it like so. Okay, you can buy a flat back cover button that is just flat. This one is not flat, so I'm going to break it. I'll flatten it with hammer. Then put gum around it like so. I use F-Sister glue because it sticks well. Because hot gum fabric to fabric, it gums well. You will not have problem that it will pull. But this is a metal. Then if you gum this with if you gum it with hot gum, it might pull. So I use F-Sister glue to do this, so I will not have problem that it will pull. Then I will take my ear stud findings I'll pass it through where I punched before. Put just little gum here. Then gum my earring cozy. This is my cover button earring. It's ready. So beautiful, guys. You see it? So beautiful. You see the second one? This is it. It's ready. I will leave it to dry. Leave it like 24 hours to dry so that it dries well. This is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and on the notification bell. You on this notification bell you are seeing on the screen, because now YouTube give you 3 options of the notification bell. Choose the one you are seeing on the screen. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Instagram Lisa Aigbe, Facebook Lisa Aigbe Handmade. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Enjoy your craft. Have fun with your craft. Craft is love. Craft is happiness. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.